just a bit olive oil. I love garlic and ginger. This is my chicken breast, which I wash it with vinegar and salt. First, I'm gonna poke it. Add a little bit chili and garlic again. And marinate it with my peri peri masala. And wow, this is my garden. So add a few, just a few mushrooms. I want to cut these mushrooms. Yeah, I'm gonna cut them. I don't like whole mushroom. Cabbage. Just a little bit. Yes, that's enough. Baby broccoli. I love baby broccoli. My favorite. I don't like it whole. Just for extra flavor, it needs to be cut. Tomato, yes. Just slit in the middle. I love these peppers. So, slit in the middle and just 3 times slices. That's it. Oh, the smell. The smell. I think one more tomato. Yep. Lemon. Yeah. One squeeze. And one I'm gonna put it there. Oh, pepper from garden. Couple of chilies, of course chilies. Ooh. 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 Too hot. Oh, too hot. Squeeze some more lemon. Wow, that chili was too hot. Oh. Some black pepper. Peri peri masala. And some salt. You can use good quality salt. But I haven't got good quality salt. I'm gonna buy one. On top of that, some more garlic, crushed garlic. Ooh la la. Okay. Some coriander, some dill, some rosemary, and some mint. Oh, my tongue is burning. Okay. All done. Glass of water. Cook it for 30 minutes to 25 minutes. Let's open it. Oh, smell is amazing. Can I give you a better view? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Ah. All cooked. Chicken, white pepper, my baby broccoli. Yummy. Let's try some soup. Bismillah. Bismillah. Wow. Let me try this. A little bit this, a little bit chicken. Ooh, look at that chicken. Oh, it's so tender. Chicken is so tender. Little bit pepper, chicken, broccoli. Okay, and let's try all together. Bismillah. And let's try with a little bit raw onion. So onion, pepper, little bit sauce, chicken, yeah, mushroom, and my garlic, and of course one chili. And let's try together. Bismillah.